Sinker first.
Sinker first.
This one need to be loose, and then sinker.
Then I'm on the boat.
Where else can we find the Velcro method? Office works.
Ang tawag ba?
Velcro. Cross strap.
Just gonna make a little cut.
Saka panis.
Twist tayo.
Yan mainit.
Madami yun.
You had to shove it. Yeah?
Yan, di masapendo na.
Tapos yung yung swivel.
That one. So thicker than swivel. Ano? Thicker and then the orange brown one. And then that one. Kasi parang hindi ko sila tatouch. Papag-roll na.
Doon na.
Yan na. Huwag na.
So, para hindi nga sa pag ganyan.
Apat.
Right?
Apat.
Kailangan may bibig ka para gawin yan. Wala kang bibig. See?
Lagyan ko. Hold that down. It stops. Stop. Alright,
Ay, ito ngayon.
you can use that. Yeah.
Kailangan pag-aralan ito pala yung nagawa. Pero,
Do you want two hooks on one thing?
Yes, I know how to do it.
As in, do you want two hooks on the one rig?
Yes,
So
one
one
at the
here.
bottom and one. So the fish.